Common problem with new type of refrigerators is that they turn themselves off when battery is low, because engine is not running and producing electricity. We will show it using Scania S refrigerator as example. Driver counts how long it will take battery to discharge based on current battery voltage. In most cases, it's turning fridge off prematurely. We will show you how to fix it. The Secop is a module used to prevent E1 error, which means that battery voltage is too low. To connect it, all you need to do is to plug it between battery and fridge, as shown at this video. Now fridge is working and not counting time, with the same voltage as before. Remember to turn off fridge when you are not using it for a few days, or it might discharge the battery.